Hello, I'm Paul. I'm a self-employed guest house proprietor and I'm also an RAF reservist.
I'm Victor. I'm a self-employed groundsman, handyman, and I'm also an RAF reservist.
Hi, I'm Hayley. I'm a self-employed event planner, and in my spare time, I'm an RAF reservist. I work for myself, so sometimes I'm on my own a lot. So that's why it was quite good to have, you know, that this week I'm in the Air Force, and then I go back to doing an event.
I was spending a lot of my life at RAF Norton this time last year, COVID testing, and that was my main income. When that happens...
If one struggles, you can pick the other one up. And then if your work comes back online again, then the RAF understands and you can balance it back again.
Being self-employed, that's what the best thing about it, really.
Hayley, you've had years and years and years connected to the Air Force. You must have a raft of qualifications. You're managing all these different caterers, decorators, florists. Was it the RAF that gave you the skills to keep all those moving parts?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, definitely. Being a wedding planner, getting everything together, you know, being organised like that, you have to start from the beginning.
Well, the main qualifications for me have been the driving licences.
Oh, definitely.
I daren't look up how much it would cost to do an HGV licence. The big transferable thing for me was the ability and the training and the practice to be agile, to prioritise, to focus on where you can have an impact. Over the last 4 or 5 years, I feel much more comfortable in a situation. It bleeds into one's work ethic, doesn't it?
Definitely. One of the biggest qualities at the moment is being dependable. With my customers, if I say I'm going to be there, I'm there.
You're there 5 minutes early, aren't you?
If you're on time, you're late.
You've just got to juggle it right, really. I put down what days I can do. Whatever you do with the military, they pay you.
You sure? Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you do 2 hours, you get 25% of the day, don't you?
Yeah.
You do 4 hours, you get a half day.
Yeah.
Your day rate is prorated from your rank. Then every year, kind of May time, we get our tax-free bounty, don't we, on top of that?
What is it, 40 years service between us as self-employed
Something like that.
Reserves? My take on it was, what have you got to lose?
Yeah, go for it.
You go to the website, get the information and make an informed decision. The only way you can find out is to go and find out.